Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our Coinbase wallet to Coinbase. So for that you need to open up your Coinbase first, and since we want to receive the money on Coinbase, so we will click on this option of send and receive. Then we will select the crypto of our choice over here and make sure that you click on receive and select the crypto of your choice. Suppose we want to send the Bitcoin, so we will just select Bitcoin as an example in this video. We will copy the address from this place and then hit up to our Coinbase wallet. Open up your wallet, and on your wallet you will be clicking on this option of send. After you click on this option of send, you will be able to select the crypto that you want to send. So you will be selecting Bitcoin since we copied the address of Bitcoin over there. So after that we will be asked to provide the address where we want to send, and there we will be pasting the address that we just copied from Coinbase. So we will be copying this address on Coinbase wallet, and after that we will be able to send the Bitcoin or any other crypto for that matter from our Coinbase wallet to Coinbase. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.